When is the best time to make a move? This is Denise Bossche with March 2021's Market Update. The best time to make a move is always when you or your family has a need that requires a move, such as a new baby, kids off to college, moving to or out of town for a job. But even if you are considering a new home just for the fun of it, how do you know if it's a good time? I'd like to explain why a seller's market is always a good time to buy and to sell. In a seller's market, prices tend to increase faster than in a balanced market. Selling your home in a seller's market is advantageous, even if you need to buy a replacement to live in. As the market continues to increase, you may not get top dollar for your sale, but you also won't pay top dollar for your purchase. If you wait to sell at the very top of the market, you'll have to buy at the top of the market. Therefore, there's no advantage to waiting. Some sellers today think that the market is due for a downturn, and they think, I'll sell today and rent for a while. Prices are sure to come down. There are flaws to this logic. Prices only drop in a sustained buyer's market. We've been in a strong seller's market for a long time, and for prices to drop, we need to first shift to a balanced market and then move into a buyer's market for an extended period of time. In 2005, when we had the crash, it took 8 months to move from a seller's market to a balanced market while prices continued to increase. And then it took an additional 3 more months to move into a buyer's market and 8 more months to see prices impacted. And we're in a market today that's significantly hotter than it was in 2005. Waiting today may mean waiting for a year or 2 or 3 for prices to drop. While you're waiting, you're paying rent, not building equity, and not receiving the tax savings that makes the cost of ownership so much less, especially with today's really high rental rates. The shortage of housing in the Valley is not going away. More people are moving here than any other city in the country at an increasing rate, driving up demand and prices for rentals and purchases. Waiting to sell and buy will most likely cost you money. As a buyer, it may be frustrating finding a property in this very strong seller's market, but when you do, your equity growth begins almost immediately. Real estate is the best way to build wealth, and waiting to buy will cost you money as well. Whether you're waiting to buy or waiting to sell, waiting will most likely cost you money. There are strategies to win in this market, and I can help you with that. Just give me a call. I'm Denise Bossche, Realty Executive, 602-980-0737. Have a great day.